Have you ever heard whispers of a phantom train speeding through tunnels beneath a bustling city, never quite reaching its destination, and carrying an air of unsettling mystery? The Silverpilen, or Silver Arrow, is indeed a legendary ghost train in Stockholm, Sweden, said to appear on the city's subway lines, often described as an unpainted silver aluminum C5 model train, though its appearances are fleeting and its stops are quite mysterious. The legend likely began with a very real, unusual train. In the 1960s, the Stockholm Metro introduced a new C5 train model. What made it stand out was its unpainted aluminum exterior, giving it a distinctive silver appearance compared to the usual green trains. Only one of these C5 trains was ever built with 8 carriages, and it mostly served the Blue Line. Its unique look and the fact that it was sometimes used as an experimental train after normal service hours already set it apart, naturally sparking curiosity and tales among commuters and metro staff. The folklore surrounding the Silverpilen expanded rapidly. Many stories claim it appears empty, sometimes stopping at disused or unfinished stations like Kimlinge along the Blue Line, which has never been opened to the public. Passengers who claim to have boarded it often report a feeling of dread, a chilling silence, and finding themselves in unfamiliar parts of the tunnel system before being swiftly deposited at a random station. The most enduring belief is that the Silverpilen carries the souls of the dead or those lost within the metro system, eternally traveling between worlds. While it is largely an urban legend, learning about the Silverpilen can teach us how modern myths take root. If you are ever exploring Stockholm's metro, especially late at night on the Blue Line, you might find yourself unconsciously looking for that distinct silver gleam. Engage with local forums or folklore enthusiasts to hear firsthand accounts, as these shared stories are what keep such legends alive and vibrant. The tale of the Silverpilen beautifully illustrates how everyday objects, especially those with a unique or unusual quality, can capture the human imagination and blossom into enduring urban legends. It is a fantastic example of a phantom vehicle tale, combining a real piece of urban infrastructure with the eerie, captivating allure of the supernatural, offering a glimpse into the collective consciousness of a city.